friends, this is RK. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can filter your photo library in iOS 14 or iPadOS 14. So let's see how it's done the right way. Now, before getting started, make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel so that you won't miss any update from us. Now, to get started with steps, launch Photos app, then tap on Library tab, and then tap on All Photos, and after that, tap on the three dots button at the top right corner. After that, select Filter. Now you have multiple options to choose from, like favorites, edited, photos, and videos. Choose your preferred option. It is worth noting that you can choose more than one options, right? And after that, tap on Done to finish. There you go. Now you can see that your photos library will be organized based on the filter that you have chosen. If you ever wanted to change the filter, all you have to do is launch your Photos app again, then tap on Library, and then tap on the filter button. After that, you can choose the preferred filter and then tap on Done to confirm. So, that's the way you can use filters in iOS 14 or iPadOS 14 to keep your photo library perfectly organized. If you have found this guide helpful, then do like it and share it.